You're watching Fox 10 Arizona Morning with Ron Hoon, Rick D'Amico, Andrea Robinson, Kristen Anderson, and Corey McCloskey in HD.
Well, guys, it's officially summertime. The rain is gone, heating up this weekend. Why not hop on over to the Arizona Grand, to this fabulous wave pool that they have? And they have all sorts of fun going on weekends throughout the summer. We're going to show you the food, the dancing, the music, all that coming up in just a bit.
And Christy looks like the lady of the summer right now.
Okay.
I'm not doing this move, guys, where you turn around to the camera and shake your rear. That's not going to happen. You can check out these folks, though, having a little dance party. I know, Rick, sorry. Little dance party at the Arizona Grand Resort. And they've got a big summer party going on every single weekend until Labor Day. This awesome DJ and all these cute little kids a part of it. And I want to give you all the details about what's going on, because it's not just a dance party. It's not just fun music. Paul, come on over and join me. This is Paul Gray, the general manager of Arizona Grand. Good morning to you. So dancing's part of the fun. What else can people expect when they come to the resort this summer?
Well, it's another great summer at Arizona Grand at the water park. We've got amazing water features. We've got a wave pool. We've got our active river, so it goes a little bit faster. It's a little bit wider. And plus, we've got the 3 water slides, the speed slides and the curly slide. And then every weekend, of course, we do what we call Island Nights, which features great, wonderful buffet food. And then we've got the dance party, which you hear behind us here. And we got the DJ out here. He gets the kids up, gets them dancing, does contests, gives away prizes, and then of course we've got the dive-in movies, huge movie screen, and we show family movies on the weekend. So it's just a great party every weekend.
That's an awful lot of stuff going on. Is it majority during the daytime or these evening activities?
You know, we mix it up. We try and get the families a great opportunity to enjoy all the water during the day, and then sort of in the afternoon we start the dance party. We bring out the great food, and then the movie in the evening. That way you can, you know, if you want to go back to your room and relax a little bit, get out of the heat, then come back and enjoy a nice evening. We have some great rates. Our rates start at $149 plus resort fee, and we have some really nice discounts included in that with spa.
Now, tell me more about that, because adults are out here with their kids all day, having a great time. They might be a little tired by the evening, need a little adult R&R. So tell me about your spa offering.
Well, sure. We've got a full-service spa, all the different services, full massages, facials. So, you know, if the kids want a little break from mom and dad, they can go to the kids club and relax, and mom and dad can go to the spa, or they can go golfing. I mean, there's a lot to do here.
Awesome. Now, the dance party going on behind us, have you participated in this in the past? How are your moves?
Oh, me personally?
Yeah.
Oh, nobody wants to see that.
I think our viewers at home would love to see you in the dance party. No, we'll leave it to the cute little kids, guys. So the buffet, part of what Paul mentioned, that's the draw for the activities this weekend. Delicious, and it's themed. And when we come back a little bit later on the show, we're going to get, well, to do a little taste testing. I got a great gig today. We've got cupcakes, cake pops, actual wedding cakes, and then we're going to get this whole spread of food that you guys get to taste as well.
You are.
So,
you lucked out, girlfriend.
I feel like I'm on summer vacation. I really do. I feel like I'm a kid again. It's great.
Well, you look like you're on summer vacation. You look fab out there.
All I need to do is get in the water, and then it'll be real summer vacation.
Okay.
Do some handstands on the bottom of the pool. That's what I was all about when I was 9, I think.
Did the water go up your nose at all?
Oh, no. I'm a pro at this, Rick. I don't get water up my nose.
We haven't seen half of her skills yet.
I know.
Right?
Yeah.
We're learning
Just wait.
more.
Maybe after the break, there'll be a handstand. I don't know.
Oh.
We'll see.
All right.
All
Looking
right.
forward to
We'll
that.
see you in a little bit, Christy.
Okay.
All right. Now, Christy is over at the, what's the name of that place again?
Arizona Grand Resort.
That's it. Arizona. You know, you can't go wrong with a swimming pool. That's what I always
Guys,
say.
it is so nice and cool in the water here. Perfect place to be this weekend because it's going to heat up, let me tell you, in the wave pool. But this is one of lots of fun things to do this weekend. And the food, Andrea, you're going to love this. They've got this awesome themed buffet, and we're going to get a taste of this delicious Hawaiian themed spread when we come back.
And there's Christy lounging on a chase.
I thought we were going to do handstands.
Look at her.
It's time to wake up.
I'm just taking a little power nap on the job, guys. I swear, I'm on it. It's just exhausting. Being at the pool all day and sunning and being on the water, you know, you work up an appetite. And that's why exactly we're heading over here to this gorgeous buffet that Chef Eric has so finely prepared for us, putting the last finishing touches on. I'm quite hungry after my splashing in the water and my nap. What do you have to offer at this delicious hula-themed buffet?
So we're focusing on our Hawaiian buffet from our Island Night series, and we have steamed rice, huli huli chicken, and we've prepared a Kahlua pork.
Now, this is kind of an intense process that goes into this glow pork. Tell us about it.
So what we do is we take a pork shoulder and we rub it with Hawaiian salt. We wrap it in banana leaves, and then we smoke this for about 16 hours at 250, and this is the end result. You can just tear this right apart.
Oh my God! No knife,
so
eat it.
Juicy and super flavorful.
It smells absolutely fantastic. And this is the Hawaiian theme here. This looks like a dream come true food for me, but there's other themes too. If Hawaiian isn't quite your thing, you've got some other things going on the
Absolutely.
weekends.
So we have a south of the border, we have a barbecue, we have an all-American, and we have our Hawaiian night. So that's the Island Night series as far as the buffets go.
And is this special to the Island Night, activity? You don't usually have these theme buffets.
We ran it. We introduced it for spring break, and it was so popular that we've decided to keep it going, and we're running it all the way through September. So 5 to 8 o'clock.
Okay.
$17 for adults and $10 for kids 12 and under.
That's very reasonable. And this looks great to any adults at home. Kids, though, we know can be a little bit of picky eaters. If they're just like, Mom and Dad, I just want a hot dog or a hamburger, is there an option for them as well?
Absolutely. So for kids who happen to maybe not want to eat the buffet, we have our snack shack. And we have a multitude of items for the little guys. We have chicken fingers, fries, hamburgers, hot dogs, shakes, ice cream, popsicles, you name it, slushies. We have it all.
And then you have the recliner that you can pass out on afterward after you've had way too much food.
Yeah, if you happen to eat the pulled pork, you're probably going to need a little nap afterwards. So we've got plenty of seating.
So where's all this food going after you've demoed it today?
Well, we were hoping you would take some home.
I can if it would help you. If it would help you. Exactly. So we're going to get some of this boxed up, guys, bring it back to you in the station. Thank you so much, Chris, for being with us today. Eric, for being with us today. And guys, stick around. We're going to see you at the noon news, and I will be very full by that time. We'll see you in a bit.